Okay, so I've got the version 2 of the MICFLIP from Winnergear, reversible micro USB cable. It's reversible in both ends, so the normal USB 2.0 is reversible and the micro USB is reversible. So this is the version 2. I've got the version 1 earlier and it was okay, but this should be even better. Plugs and so on, better quality. So let's see how it looks and how it works when plug it in to my gear. Here is the packaging, as you can see. It says fully reversible micro USB cable, compatible with all micro USB devices. And down here it says braided cable, tangle free, aluminium shell, gold coating, corrosion resistance, reversible USB type A plug and reversible micro USB plug. I will link to them below in the description text. And here is the cable itself. It feels really good in your hand. Very, very long. I think it's 2 meters. That's nice. And here is the reversible USB 2.0 and here is the reversible micro USB. Looks nice. So let's plug it into my wireless headphones here to charge it. We have a micro USB connector there, and here is the reversible micro USB. As you can see, worked perfectly fine. Let's turn it the other side, and it works great. So the reversible micro USB connector seems to work perfectly fine. And here is the other end, and let's take this Chromebook homebrew I have here with a USB 2.0 connector. Of course you can plug this into a USB 3.0 too, of course, but let's see if it works. And as you can see, it works perfectly fine. And the other way around, it works great. I love this. Really great. So there you have a 100% reversible cable in both ends. That's great. Again, I link to Winnergear below in the description text. Go check it out. Okay, bye.